Hello, good morning. This is Master TV. We are continuing to solve the BECE 2026 mathematics questions. In today's episode, we will be looking at question 4. Question 4 says that in a school, the monthly income of 3 workers, Aku, Braco, and Dagadu, are 5,000 Ghana cedis, 6,500 Ghana cedis, and 4,200 Ghana cedis, respectively. I calculate the yearly income of each worker. I find the yearly income difference between Aku and Dagadu. I find the total yearly income of all the 3 workers. Question 4b. A painter places a ladder against a building at the window. The angle the foot of the ladder makes with the horizontal ground is 60 degrees. If the distance from the foot of the ladder to the base of the building is 5 meters, I illustrate the information in a diagram. I find correct to 1 decimal place the alpha, length of the ladder, beta, distance between the window and the foot of the ladder. The question has given you tan 60 to be equals to 1.732 and cos 60 to be equals to 1/2. This is question 4. Subscribe, comment, like, and share on Master TV for more mathematical tricks. Let's move straight and solve question 4. Let's proceed to solve question 4a. Question 4a says that we have 3 people, Aku, Braco, and Dagadu, in a particular school, and their monthly incomes are 5,000 for Aku, 6,500 for Braco, and 4,200 for Dagadu. Now, the I part of question 4a says that we should look for their yearly income. Looking for their yearly income is quite simple. Once we know their monthly income, we know in a year, we have 12 months in a year. Then to know their yearly income, you just multiply their monthly income by 12. So we are going to do that for each of them. So Aku's income will be equals to, Aku's monthly amount is 5,000 multiplied by 12. This, I want to make it so simple because this is BECE. They are not supposed to use calculators. Once they are not supposed to use calculators, I have to find a way of writing this to make it so simple for calculation. So 5,000 times 10 plus 2. Yeah, 10 plus 2 is the same as 12. But this will be quite easy for me. So multiply any number by 10, it means you just add 0 to that number, and that becomes the answer. So 5,000 times 10, I will just add 1 0 to the 3 zeros. So it becomes 50,000. 5,000 times 2, it means 5,000 plus 5,000. That becomes 10,000. So Aku's yearly income becomes 60,000. I put this one down. Let's go to Braco's yearly income. Braco's yearly income, I will have 6,500 times 6,500 times 12. I will do what I did to the 12 here. I will rewrite this 12 as 10 plus 2. When I multiply through 6,500 times 10, I just add 1 0 to this to get me 65,000 plus 6,500 times 2 will get me, that's 6,500 plus 6,500. That will give me 13,000. Putting the two figures together, I will have I will have 78,000. Let's proceed to look for Dagadu's yearly income. Dagadu's monthly income is 4,200 multiplied by 12. I will rewrite 12 as 10 plus 2. So when I multiply through 42,000 plus 8,400. Final answer, I will get 50,400. The II says that we should look for the income difference between Aku and Dagadu. I know Aku's income, so income difference. I know Aku's income to be equals to 60,000 Ghana cedis. I know Dagadu's income to be equals to 50,400. 50,400. Now the difference is that 60,000 minus 50,400. This will give me 9,600 Ghana cedis. 9,600 Ghana cedis. Good. Then the last part of question 4a, the III says that we should look for total yearly income. Total yearly income. It means I'm putting all the yearly incomes together. So I have Aku's yearly income to be 60,000. I have Brago's yearly income to be 78,000. I have Dagadu's yearly income to be 50,400. I'm putting them together. It means you add 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 0 plus 8 plus 0 becomes 8. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. Put 18. And then you put your Ghana series there. Now put your pesos there. So this becomes the total yearly income. This is the total yearly income. 188,400.